She gets so excited.
It looks like it's going back up.
Yeah, it is. It's dissipating, but it touched down again just a second ago.
It did?
Here it comes, here it comes. It's going back down again.
Oh, I didn't know they moved up and down like that. See what you have on idea?
Yeah. Now it's almost gone. But then see the line? It comes
Yeah.
back.
I don't like how it's still there.
It's dissipating and it keeps reaching back down, but it keeps going away.
Is she better now?
No, she's fine. My mom's like crying downstairs. My grandma's actually laughing.